Here's a nice Olympia SM9 typewriter with an extra wide carriage. The carriage is 13 inches long, and so you can put the paper in lengthwise to the 11.5 inch direction. I installed a new ribbon, and I've cleaned this up, and I took out the rubber roller and lightly sanded it so it grabs real nice. I went through this, cleaned the keys, cleaned these keys here, made sure there was no sticky keys, put a little bit of oil in here, which you never want to use very much oil. In fact, this is a kind of a lubricant that doesn't attract dust that I use. I cleaned up all the key caps, and this is a little typing that I did on it. I'm going to be listing this up on eBay. And this is the paper bail. It extends out. I guess it's paper support. And it does no spacing, freewheeling, single space, double, and triple space. And the margin tabs. It's a nice clean machine. Little paint chip in the corner here. It does 3 colors. Well, really 2 colors, and then stencil. We have here a carriage lock. So you put that in there, and then locks the carriage. So I'm going to be listing this up on eBay, and thank you for watching this video.